Halika. Sama ka.
Oo, sama mo, Papa.
So we have on stage table number 5. To be followed by table number 6. Thank you so much po for your patience and cooperation para magkaroon tayo ng very smooth program for tonight. Thank you so much, table number 5. Next po ang table number 6. Get ready na po, table number 7. Table number 7, you may proceed on the right side of our stage. Again, table number 7.